Sometimes I wonder, where do we come from? Where do we go? Where are we now? It all seems like nowhere, like watching the day turn to night. But when the stars come out and the moon comes out and she shines like a candle that I light at my window, I can see it tells me a story. I get a feeling, drifting like perfume, light on the air, so cool and sweet. It's like playing with fairies, like reading a story at bedtime. And I think that out of this refuse and leftover dreams, burnt black from all my toil, I can make a new story. There is a music born from a fire deep in the sky, the heart of a star. It's just like this heart of mine, the heart of God that weaves the grandest tale of all which we become, who we are. I am a chapter in that story. Oh yes, that keeps on turning. Thank you.